audit is a systematic assessment that carried out to identify existing or potential safety hazard on a road, then recommend improvement to enhance road safety for all users, including drivers, motorcyclists, and pedestrians. This project is also aligned with Sustainable Development Goal. Okay, firstly, we focus on SDG9, which is Industry, Innovation and Infrastructure, by encourage the development of safe and also sustainable road infrastructure. Okay, next we focus on SDG 11, which is Sustainable Cities and Communities, by promoting safer roads, reducing accidents, and improving the quality of transformation for the community. Okay, next we go to the problem statement. Okay, road traffic accidents that remain one of the major causes of injuries and fatalities. Many accidents are related to poor road condition, inadequate traffic signs, insufficient lighting, and limited visibility. Therefore, conducting a road safety audit is very important to identify the potential hazards and recommend suitable improvement that can reduce accident risk and improve road safety. Next, performance evaluation. Our selected study location is Jalan College Melati, UiTM Shah Alam. The road segment evaluated has a length of 40 meters and the measurement was taken using a wheel meter. Based on our site observation, the road surface is in good condition with no major pothole or crack. The pavement well maintained and provides a safe and comfortable driving surface for road user. Okay, now we focus on road safety assessment. Okay, firstly, we focus on traffic sign. During the site inspection, we observed that the road signs are available and clearly visible. This sign provides sufficient information to road user and help to improve driving safety. Then, street lighting. The street lights are functioning properly and provide adequate illumination during the night. In addition, the lighting is not obstructed by surrounding trees, also allowing good visibility for drivers and pedestrians. Okay, lastly, we focus on visibility. Overall visibility along the road is good because there are no major obstructions that block the driver's line of sight. This enables road users to react safely to traffic conditions.
Issues number 1. Ghost marking. The previous zebra crossing has been removed, but the remaining marks are still visible on the road. This may confuse pedestrian and driver because user may assume this is still a safe crossing area, while driver may not expect pedestrian to cross here. Issues number 2. Zero protection. The existing pedestrian walkway is narrow and has no safety barrier to separate pedestrian from the roads. If a vehicle lost control at this curb, there will be a high chance of pedestrian involved in the accident. Issues number 3. The distant fog. The existing zebra crossing is located too far from the main pedestrian road. Due to the long distance, students tend to choose a shorter path and cross at unsafe location, creating a conflict between pedestrians and vehicles. Issues number 4. Speeding behavior. From the observation, some of the road users traveling at a high speed along this curve. High speed reduces the driver reaction time and increase the risk of incidents, especially in areas with the limited visibility. Issues number 5. A narrow corner alignment. The road width at this corner is limited, reducing the space available for a vehicle to move safely. This condition makes it more difficult for drivers to control their vehicle, especially when approaching the curb. The narrow alignment may increase the risk of conflict between vehicles and pedestrians.
Spot speed study was conducted to evaluate the speed of the vehicle passing through the study area.
100 sets of data were collected by recording the speed of the passing vehicle that passed through the study area. All data are represented and analyzed as below.
The obtained results indicate that majority of the vehicle were traveling between 20 up to 13 km per hour, which is considered as a safe and consistent speed for the campus environment.
However, a small number of vehicles were recorded traveling above 40 km per hour, which might lead to the risk of the accidents, especially near the roadbed. Overall, the road condition is still considered as satisfactory as drivers naturally reduce their speed when approaching the curve. This indicates that the road geometry influenced the driver behavior and contributed to the safer vehicle operations.
Traffic volume study was conducted to determine the number and type of vehicle passing through the study area within the observation period.
Based on the data, car recorded the highest percentage of vehicle, followed by motorcycle. This indicates that the roads are mainly used by the students and also staff arriving or leaving the campus area. Overall, it is observed that the road network is able to accommodate the current traffic demand as no vehicle congestion is observed and the flow of the traffic operates smoothly.
Moving on to the first issues, which is ghost markings. The previous zebra crossing has been removed, but its markings are still partially visible on the road surface. These remaining markings can confuse both pedestrians and drivers. To mitigate these issues, the remaining markings should be completely removed by resurfacing or applying a black surface treatment. A new and clearly marked zebra crossing should only be provided at the approved location. The second issue is zero protection. The existing pedestrian walkway is narrow and has no safety barrier separating pedestrian from moving vehicle. To improve safety, pedestrian guardrails or protective barriers should be installed along the walkway. The walkway should also be widened wherever possible, and reflective barrier can be added to improve visibility during both day and night. The fourth issue is speeding behavior. During our site observation, some drivers were traveling at a relatively high speed along this curved section of the road. To address these issues, speed control measures should be introduced. This includes installing speed limit sign, warning signs before the curve, speed humps and rumble strip. Better road lighting and reflective road markings can also improve driver awareness. In conclusion, this road safety audit has identified several key safety issues affecting both pedestrians and drivers. The proposed mitigation measures focus on improving pedestrian protection, reducing vehicle speeds, enhancing road markings and signage, and providing a safer road layout. By implementing this recommendation, the number of accidents can be significantly reduced, creating a safer and more efficient road environment for all road users.